Hi everyone! In this video, I will be unboxing the Advanced Audio Elise earbuds that we have here. This actually came with as a bundle with the Access Port Air Kickstarter campaign. So I received both the Access Port Air that we see here, and I have also the Elise earbuds here that we are going to take a look. So you can see, this is the graph response of it. It says that it has a full range 6mm dynamic driver and uses a ceramic low resonance casing. We should have the headphones, the air tips, and the carrying bag as well. It has a frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz as well. So let's start unboxing it. Alright. It's kind of difficult to open this kind of box. There we go, it opened. Now I'm going to take it out. If it comes out, yeah, there we go. Alright. And we can see that we have the carrying bag here, and inside should be the earbuds. Yep. So here we have the earbuds. They are small. You can see that they are small. Smaller than I thought that it would be. It has a volume, it has a button here and the mic as well. The 3.5mm jack and the earbuds itself. But yeah, they are fairly small, smaller than I thought that it would be. So we have the Elise earbuds here. And here we should have the tips. Oops. Here we have some tips, small and the large tips. Alright, and let's take a look at the other bag that it came. Let's see what are here. So we have here the same tips, but these are foam tips. We have the large tips here. We have the small tips here. Let's okay, here you can watch it better here. And there's another one here. Okay, this is the big tip, big and medium tip. Alright, and then we also have here the air tip selection. This is the content that comes with it. We have here Chinese instructions as well, more Chinese instructions. Japanese and yeah, I think it's Korean, right? Or yeah, but yeah, anyway, comes with 3 languages, instructions in 3 languages, and the registration card as well. So pretty much that's all that comes with the Elise earbuds. We can see that we have here the carrying bag, the two extra size, because it comes installed with the medium tips. So we have these other tips. We have the phone tips, and we also have the Elise earbuds, of course, and we have the manual here, which basically just explains us the content that comes here, and the registration card. So I'll be listening to this and see how they perform. So yeah, pretty much this concludes this unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like this video, comment on it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.